Can we please make him stop? I have earplugs in and I can still hear him. This guy officially sucks. What is that smell?
Cocoa butter.
Not that. That.
It's breakfast. You guys should try it. Frenchie's a culinary genius.
Oh, thank you, Grandy man. Saving lives is my job, but delighting palates, oof, that's my passion.
This is the best omelet I've ever had.
Anybody care for some creme brulee?
For breakfast?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, I want one.
You're the nicest guy ever.
Ah, don't sweat it. I love doing this stuff, and I'm really good at it.